This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the mouse pointer size in Linux Lite. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your mouse pointer size in Linux Lite, first thing you want to do is go to Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left hand corner, down to my little menu icon. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings. Then I'm going to slide straight off to the right, and I'm going to scroll down to where I see it says Mouse and Touchpad. I'm going to click on Mouse and Touchpad. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, across the top you have some tabs. You have Device, Behavior, and Theme. I'm going to click on the Theme tab. And then down here you have Size. By default, it's probably set to about 24, but you could either use the plus or minus. The minus would make the mouse cursor smaller, the plus would make it bigger. I'm going to double click in there, and the biggest you can make it is 72. I'm going to type 72. I'm going to click outside of the box. Now as you can see, my mouse cursor has become a lot bigger. Now off to the left of that, you can choose between black or white for your mouse cursor. I'm going to click on white. Now I have a white cursor. The top one there is black. But that is how to adjust your mouse cursor size in Linux Lite. Thanks for watching.